Hi, my name is Lauren Locke. Let's talk about whether you have to be currently employed to apply for EB1A. Well, there is no legal requirement that you be in a current job or that you be working for the employer that's sponsoring your EB1A, or you could sponsor it yourself. So you don't have to be working. However, having a job that is a demonstration of you working in your area of extraordinary ability is a huge plus. It's just much easier for your adjudicator at USCIS to believe that you're a big deal in your field and you're important and you're doing things if you are doing things. That doesn't mean you couldn't do it successfully when you're between jobs. In fact, some people, when they're between jobs, is when they actually have the time to think about it and get everything done. I've worked on cases like that, more so probably with people on parental leave when they actually take a break and focus on their green card process. But let's say you are completely out of work, you are unemployed, maybe your work authorization lapsed, maybe you're just out looking for a job. It's not a super strong petition. It's not a position of strength to not have a job while you are asking the government to give you a green card based on your value to the economy and the workforce. But never say never. I mean, maybe your work is kind of seasonal. Maybe you are an opera singer and the opera season, has peaks and valleys in the year and you do work on contract. And rather than having an employer, that could be a perfectly great case. So I would say performers, musicians, actors, you don't think like you need to have some W-2 job to pursue an EB1. You absolutely don't. It's not a legal requirement. You don't have to be in the US to file the EB1. But if you're outside the US and you're going for the EB1 because you want to live and work in the US, you should think about doing an O1 to get you here so you can live and work in the US while you're pursuing the green card, because it's not going to be fast to just get the EB1, I-140 approved, and then go and get your immigrant visa. It'll be faster to get the O1. And the O1 is kind of like a preview of, it's really similar. There's a lot of overlap in the work. So if you get the O1 approved, that bodes really well for your EB1, and it makes it really a lot easier to get the EB1 done because you've already worked on gathering and categorizing and all your evidence and coming up with a compelling and successful story about why you deserve to win as an alien of extraordinary ability.